Exercise 18D, question number 2-1. Construct a parallelogram ABCD if AB equal to 3.6 centimeter, BC equal to 4.5 centimeter, and angle ABC equal to 120. So let us draw the rough diagram first. Say this is the side AB of the parallelogram. Then angle B is given, that is angle ABC is equal to 120 degrees. So we can construct an angle of 120 degree. The point C can be located because BC is given. So this is point C, and from point C you can construct an arc here that is equal to AB itself. So this will be like this. Again, from point A we can construct another arc, and radius will be equal to BC equal to AD. So we can locate the point D here. So this is point D, and now you can join these points AD and again DC. So this is a rough diagram. Now we will construct the actual diagram with the help of compass and ruler. So let us take a ruler and draw a line 3.6 centimeter. This is the line 3.6 centimeter long, AB. Now we'll construct an angle of 120 degree at point P. So we'll take some convenient radius and take P as the center and draw some arc. Let us draw this arc. Then same radius, another arc. So whatever point we get, take this as the center and draw another arc. Now we can join this point with point B. So we can extend it to some convenient length, that should be more than equal to BC, which is 4.5 centimeter. Now BC equal to 4.5 centimeters. So we have to draw one arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Take B as the center and locate point C over here. So this is point C. BC is equal to AD because this is a parallelogram. So with same radius we can construct an arc from point A. Let us construct this arc, and again AB is equal to DC. So we can take the distance equal to AB. We can take it from ruler also, but I will take it from here. So now I will take the center C, and this is equal to AB. We get point D here. Now join AD and DC. So this is the required parallelogram ABCD. 120 degree. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Question number 2. BC equal to 4.5 centimeter and CD equal to 5.2 centimeter. Angle ADC is 75 degree. So we can first start with line DC so that we can construct an angle of ADC or CDA. And in this line, point A will be located. So DA is equal to BC. BC is given 4.5 centimeter. We can locate this point A. Again, you see AB is equal to DC. So from point A, we can construct an arc like this. From point C, this will be BC, and BC is equal to DA. So we can construct another arc like this. And after that, we can join these points and we'll get the required parallelogram, and this point is point B. So let us construct the actual parallelogram. First, we'll draw the line DC equal to 5.2 centimeter. Now at point D, we'll construct an angle of 75 degree. Again, another arc. So this is actually 60-degree angle, and this is 120-degree angle. Now we have to bisect this second 60-degree angle, same radius. Now actually we get an angle of 90-degree. This is 75-degree angle. This is a parallelogram. So side DC is equal to AB and side DA is equal to BC. The BC is given, that is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So if we take this distance again, 4.5 centimeter, cut this line at a point, and this is the point A. Now with same radius, we can construct the arc from C, because DA equal to BC. From this point, we'll construct another arc like this. Again, DC is equal to AB. So let us take this again, DC equal to DC. So this is DC. From point A, we'll cut this arc. So we get the point B now. Join AB and BC, and this is the required parallelogram ABCD. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and this 75-degree angle is equal to this angle because they are opposite angles, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, question number 2-3. AD equal to 4 centimeter, DC equal to 5 centimeter, and diagonal BD is equal to 7 centimeter. So if we start with side AD, so this is A and this is point D. From point D, we can construct an arc which will be equal to DC. So point C is here, somewhere here, and again from point A to B, we can construct another arc with same radius like this, and from point D at a distance of 7 centimeter, we can construct this, and we'll get the point B. And now we can join AB. Then from point B, we can construct arc to cut this at a point, say C, and if we join DC and CB, this will be the required parallelogram. So this is a rough one only. Now we'll construct the actual parallelogram. So let us construct like this. AD equal to 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So this is A, this is D. Then DB equal to 7 centimeter and AB equal to DC, that is 5 centimeter. So from point A, we can take 5 centimeter because this is a parallelogram and AB is equal to DC. So from point A, draw one arc like this, and again from point D, it will be 7 centimeters. So let us take 7 centimeter for DB. Okay, so this is the point B. Now we can join AB. Now from point B, we have to go to point C, and BC is equal to AD, and AD is 4 centimeter. So let us take 4 centimeter again, and from point B, draw an arc, and DC is equal to 5 centimeter. We can directly take the distance from here because DC is equal to AB, and we'll cut this arc at this point. So this is point C. Now you can join point D and C, and again C and B. So this is the required parallelogram. AD equal to BC and DC is equal to AB, and also they are parallel, also opposite sides are parallel to each other. Question number 2-4. AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter, AD 4.6 centimeter, and diagonal AC is 7.5 centimeter. So if I draw AB, the length is given. Then for BC, that is equal to AD. AD is given, so this is the arc, and from point A, that is diagonal AC, we can construct this, and this will be point C. So once we get this, we can get the other sides also. I'll draw a line that is AB equal to 5.8 centimeter. Yes, this is 5.8 centimeter. Now for point C, we'll construct BC, and BC is equal to AD because this is a parallelogram, and AD equal to BC, that is 4.6 centimeter. This is 4.6 centimeter. Let us draw an arc. Then again from point A to C, that is diagonal AC, that is 7.5 centimeter. Let us take 7.5 centimeter from point A. So this is another arc. So we can remove the unnecessary part. Yes. Now we get point C and we can join BC. So once we join BC, then we can get the point D, because for CD, that is equal to AB. So let us draw AB equal to 5.8 centimeter. This is 5.8 centimeter. Take C as the center and draw an arc. AD is equal to BC, and BC is, you can see, you can take the distance from here also. BC is equal to, and now we'll take the center A and cut this arc at this point. Okay, what we get? We get point D now, and if we join TA and DC, then this is the required parallelogram. Question number 5. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD are given, and the angle between the diagonals is 75 degree. So we have to start with a diagonal, any diagonal. Say, let us construct an diagonal AC, and if this is AC, the diagonals bisect each other. So we have to construct a bisector of this line AC. So this is the bisector of line AC. So we get the middle point O of the diagonal AC. So at this point O, we can construct a 75 degree angle because the angle between the diagonals is 75 degree. So if we do that, say we construct an angle of 75 degree passing through point O, and we can extend it to any convenient length. So what we have to do, we have to construct an angle of 75 degree. So this is equal to this angle between the diagonals is 75 degree. So this is A and this is C. So B will be somewhere here and D will be over here, and the length BD is given 5.6. Point O is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So taking O as a center, we can locate point D at a distance of 5.6 divided by 2, that will be equal to 2.8. So this will be point D, and similarly in this side it will be somewhere over here, and this will be point B. Now if we join the points, what we will get? This is AB, this is BC, and this is CD, and this is DA. This one does not look like a parallelogram because this is a rough diagram only. Now we'll construct the actual diagram. So what will we do? We start with AC, and AC is equal to 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter. So this is A and this is C. So now we'll construct a perpendicular bisector of AC. We need a bisector, but we'll construct a perpendicular bisector. So how we can do? From point A, taking any radius, we can draw an arc over here, and again at the other end, this is another arc. Now take point C as the center and same radius, draw another arc at this side and again at this side. So now if we join these 2 points of intersection, This will cut at a point, say O. So O is the midpoint of AC or point of bisection of AC. Angle between the diagonals is 75 degree. So we'll construct an angle of 75 degree at point O now. This angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. Now if we bisect this angle, then we'll get 15 degree angle. So let us bisect this angle. So before that, this angle is 60 and this angle is 30 degree because this total angle is 90 degree because we have constructed a perpendicular bisector. Now let us bisect this 30 degree angle. Okay. Yes. Now if we join this point of intersection and this point O, this angle is 75 degree and we can extend this up to any length. So in this line, point B will be somewhere over here and point D will be over here. Now distance BD is given, that is equal to 5.6 centimeter. But BD is bisected by diagonal AC. So OB is equal to OD, that is equal to half of BD. So 5.6 divided by 2 and that is equal to 2.8 centimeters. So we'll take a radius of 2.8 centimeter and cut this diagonal. This is 2.8 centimeter and let us take point O, midpoint. This point will be point D and the opposite side point B. So this is now point B and this is point D. Now we can join these points. So A to B, again B to C, again C to D, and again D to A. Last question. Length of diagonals AC and BD are 6.3 and 7 centimeter respectively, and the angle between them is 45 degrees. So we have to draw two diagonals first, and for that we have to locate the point, midpoint of the one of the diagonals first. So now let us start. This is same as question number 5. Let us draw the diagonal AC first. So this is 6.3 centimeter long line. Now we have to bisect this diagonal AC. So we have to draw a bisector of the diagonal AC. Let us draw a perpendicular bisector of diagonal AC. Draw two arcs of equal radius from point A on both sides of line AC. Then again from point C, draw another arcs to bisect the previous arcs. If we join this, then we'll get the perpendicular bisector of AC. So this is perpendicular bisector of AC. The point of bisection is O. So AO is equal to OC. Now at point O, we have to construct an angle of 45 degree. You see, already we have an angle of 90 degree because this is a perpendicular bisector. So let us bisect this angle and that way we'll get the 45 degree angle. And let us draw this arc and then this point at the center and draw another arc. Now you join this point of intersection to an O and you can extend it to any convenient length. Now point D will be in this portion of the line and point B will be in this portion of the line. Diagonal BD is 7 centimeter long. So OB equal to 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. OD is 7 centimeter divided by 2, that is 3.5 3.5 centimeters. So let us take 3.5 centimeter radius and take O as a center and intersect this line, and similarly in the opposite side you intersect this line. This will be point D and this is point B. Now we can join BC and DA, also DC and BA. This is the required parallelogram ABCD. You see, this angle is 45 degree. Angle between the two diagonals is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree, and the other angle is 180 minus 45 degree.